Let's look at how to log on to the Schoology app. The Schoology app is where you will find all of your assignments. The Schoology app is the one with the S and a blue circle around it. Let's go ahead and tap on the Schoology app. Next, we need to find our school, which is Elk Valley. And it'll pop up, and we will tap where it says Elk Valley Elementary School. Then we'll tap on the blue rectangle that says Log in through your school. Here, you will type in your username and password. It's the same one that you used last year to log into Google. It's your first name dot last name with the last 2 digits of the year you will graduate, then at girardsd.org. Let's go ahead and type that in. We will click Next. Here we will type in our password. The password is your student ID number. Again, just like last year. If you've forgotten, please contact your teacher. Let's go ahead and enter that in now. And then click Next. We need to click the red button that says Approve. Now that you're all logged in, let's do a quick overview of the Schoology app. When you first log in, you'll see this screen. Don't worry about enrolling in anything, you're already in the classes. To see the different classes, or what they call courses, we will go to the top left-hand corner with the 3 lines, what I like to call a hamburger. Go ahead and tap. Here you will get a different menu. You have your messages from your teachers, your notifications, requests, home, and there's our courses. These are the different subjects in school. Each day you will need to visit each course to see your work. This first one will be like your homeroom, and you'll need to check in daily. We have math, reading, science, writing, spelling, and grammar. And this may be different depending on what grade level you're in. Once you're in the course, you can see on the left-hand side there is a new menu. The first one is Materials. This is where your assignments will be. You can see we have one right now called September's Writing Journal. We'll take a closer look at assignments later on. Then we can go to Updates. This is kind of like a Facebook wall of where your teacher may share announcements. Then you can go to Grades, and once we start assignments, your grades will be listed here. Again, you can see all of your courses here, or we can go all the way back to the home screen. We can look at the bottom of our screen, and in the middle there are rectangles. When we tap on the rectangles, it will also take us to our course dashboard, where you can see all of your courses.